Zdravo, prijatelji. Today I'm taking you for a walk because my ingredients for a perfect day are take a good walk, take a good meal, and your day is perfect. Today our meals will all have the same ingredient, quinoa. Its origins are the Andes, you know where Machu Picchu is. The first dish I'm gonna show you is called Sopa de quinoa. I don't know the name the Inca gave him, but this is the name I know, and it's translated to soup of quinoa. And the second dish will be a quinoa salad, translated from a couscous salad, so pretty simple and easy. So let's start. To make sopa de quinoa, we will start off with cutting an onion into nice cubes. I guess the South Americans are like me, they like their stuff hot, so I'm also gonna add 2 chillis. I'm just gonna finely chop them, but if you wanna add the chillis and you don't like the heat, just take off the inner membrane and the seeds and the chillis won't be as hot as before. Next I'm going to add a carrot, so I'm just gonna chop it in nice half circles and then cube it. Alright, this ingredient isn't traditional at all, but I really find it suiting, so I'm also going to add a head of broccoli. Just take off the stem and then divide it into fine pieces. Now we're gonna add the sweet potato. I already peel it, then we chop it into inch-sized cubes. I guess many people of you know this, but we can thank Incas for vodka. You're asking why? Well, because the Incas cultivated potatoes and then they could spread around the world. Well, and this wouldn't be me if I don't add green beans. We cut off the ends and then we cut it into nice stripes. Now we can start off with the cooking. So we take a big pot, add some oil, and then we're gonna add our onions, chilies and carrots. We're also gonna add some salt to get the moisture out, and then we're gonna stir. When the onions are brown and glossy like this, we're gonna add our other ingredients, give it a quick fry, and then we're gonna add some water. While the temperature is rising, we're gonna add our quinoa. We're also gonna add some bay leaf and also some pepper. Then stir everything and leave it simmering for at least 10 to 20 minutes. Trust me when I'm saying this doesn't look just amazing, it tastes amazing. You see this beautiful herb jungle? Well, this is really special to me because the day I started this channel, I also planted those, and it's beautiful to see not only these plants grow, but also grow myself on this channel. So the reason I'm showing you these herbs and the story behind it is because today we're going to cook our first meal with our own grown herbs. For the quinoa salad, we actually first gonna use tomatoes. Unfortunately, I missed the filming, so I'm sorry, but you're just gonna dice the tomatoes into cubes you like. And as you can see, we're also gonna use some cucumber, so I will cut it into nice cubes as well. We're also gonna add a whole lime. I'm gonna use my special squeezer. I don't wanna promote anything, but this is like the best tool I ever bought. So easy to squeeze lemons and limes. Like I said, we're gonna use our herbs, so I'm gonna use some scissors to cut them off. And also instead of chopping them with a knife, I'm just gonna cut them with my scissors as well. The herbs I used were some parsley, some coriander and also some basil. And I'm gonna add some feta cheese. So I'm just gonna cut it into cubes, but you can also crumble it and it will taste as good. And it wouldn't be a quinoa salad if you don't add quinoa. So I cooked the quinoa off camera for 10 minutes in boiling water, then drained the water, and as you can see I'm just going to add the freshly boiled quinoa. Then I'm gonna add some salt, some pepper, some paprika, and also some olive oil. And the only thing left to do is mix well. Alright friends, I hope you like this little trip to South America. Eventually I will do more South American dishes, but I hope you like those 2 recipes, and if you like them, please hit the like button and see you in the future.